Say goodbye to bulky wooden docks. This is the Candock Modular Dock System. Modular and tool-free, it's like Lego for the water, customize it your way. From jet skis to yachts, it supports all your water adventures with style and strength. UV-resistant and unsinkable, it stays stable in sun, snow, or surf. Need to move? No problem. It's portable, eco-friendly, and super low maintenance. From private lakes to busy marinas, Candock adapts to every setting, expanding your waterfront access like never before. Forget cranes and contractors. You can assemble it solo, no tools required. Just snap, lock, and float. Need a drive-on dock for your jet ski or boat? Candock's G2 system keeps your watercraft high and dry, ready to ride anytime. Built from high-density polyethylene, it's corrosion-proof, rot-proof, and UV-resistant. No rust. No rotting. No worries. It's more than a dock, it's your floating playground, your fishing platform, your lakefront lounge. Add ramps, ladders, cleats, bumpers. Candock is endlessly customizable to fit your lifestyle. Candock Modular Dock Systems, durable, versatile, and built for adventure. Dock it your way.